Hello friends, welcome to Digi Exports C++ world. Today we will see how effectively we can write C++ program in macOS. Friends, believe me, whenever a C++ developer uses macOS for the first time, question comes into his mind how I will write C++ code, which ID I can use in Apple macOS. Answer is very simple. We can use Xcode ID. Let's look into our agenda for today. Okay, guys, let's move on. First of all, where I will get Xcode. From where I can download Xcode. It is available in Apple App Store. We have to download Xcode from App Store. How to do that? We will see it today. After downloading that one, where it resides. So how to open it? That also you will see. Once ID is available, we will open the ID. After that, we'll start writing our first C++ program. After writing the program, we'll compile and execute and see what are the errors we are getting, where our output window is, how our output looks, everything I'll show you today. Then we'll see something known as command line argument. That also I'm going to cover up. Now you can open Finder, which is available here. See, for me Xcode is already downloaded, so I'll just show you where to get it. Just open your App Store. Now in search you can type Xcode. Xcode. Enter. Now see, for me Xcode is downloaded. That's why here there is some update. I don't want to update it right now. Let's leave it. If for you it is not downloaded, then you will get this kind of button, get. Once you will click on get, now see it is displaying install app. Then you have to click on install app. Now your installation will start and now your Xcode will be installed in your machine. So after installation, where you will get your Xcode? Now I will show you that one. You just go to same your Finder, then application, then Xcode. Now just double click. It will open Xcode window. Yes. Now Xcode is open. Now see here, create a new Xcode project. Okay, just choose that one. Let me to close it. Yeah. Now here you will choose some templates. Now we can use Xcode for iOS, watchOS, tvOS, macOS, cross-platform development. Okay. In macOS, just you choose macOS. Okay. Here see Cocoa application. This is one template. Game one template. Then command line tool. For C++, we are using this command line tool. Select that one. Click next. Now you just give a product name. That is your project name. Now I'm saying my first CPP in Xcode. Okay. Now here you see language. You can use Swift, Objective-C, C++, and C programming languages in Xcode. This Swift and Objective-C is for iOS development, iOS app development. Okay, that is not our concern for today. We may see it later on, but today we will see how to develop C++. So I am selecting the C++ option as the language. Next. After that, it will show you where you want to save your project. Now, I have created in my desktop, I have created a folder Xcode C++ demo. Just otherwise, you can also create it. You have to go to desktop. Here you can select new folder and you can create it. So I have created it. So now just click on create. Now see in the left hand side panel, you will get your project informations. Okay. And you know, this is your project and this is your file main.cpp. You know, each and every C++ project or C++ application start execution from main. Main is known as EP or entry point of any C or C++ application. Okay. And this, if you'll see here, this Xcode ID has added lots of things for us. Here see, copyright is added. This is created by whom, on which date, everything is there. Okay, file name, everything is there. Okay, so then we are having the main, and here we are inserting the code whatever we want. And before that, I would like to tell you, just go to this project. Now just come to the right hand side. Here see where your project resides. Full path of your project will be displayed here. Okay. Now I will go to, just single click here on your main.cpp. It will display you your main.cpp. After compilation, your output will come here. Fine. I will show you that one. Okay. So how your output will come to this. So I will show you that one also. And before that, let's compile it, because our demo code is already here. Std cout hello world. So how to build? For building, we are using what? Command. Shortcut button is command plus build B. This is for building. Okay. Or compiling. For running the application, you can use command plus R. This is for running. Fine. Now I will press command B, that is something control B. Now see here, it will show you build succeeded, and build status will also be displayed here, if you will see here. Okay. And at what time you did the build, which project you built, all these information will be available here. Okay. Now you want to see the output. Where to get the output? You have to run the project. Okay. Now build and run, that is command R. Okay, let's see. Now here it is written running, if you will see, and finish running. Now see your output came here, hello world. Whatever the things you are writing here, that will be displayed here, that you know what is the use of std cout. Fine. Suppose I am just writing a custom message here, have a great day, have a great day. Now there is another option is also there. There is another way of building and running. See here, this button you have to press. See, build and then run the current scale. Now click here. Now you will get the output here. Now build is succeeded. After that you are getting what? Output as hello world, have a great day. But if you see carefully here, there is one space here. Alignment is not perfect. Why this happened? Because of this space here. Let's remove it. Control S or command S to save. Then directly you can also run. That command run will do build plus run. Okay. This will do what? It will do the build plus output. Output or running. Okay. Now if you will see, our output is hello world. Alignment is perfect. But thing is, have a great day. After that, program ended with exit code 0. What is this? Exit code 0 is fine. You know, exit code 0 is for success. There is no issue. But I want this should come below this, have a great day. Okay, so how to get that? You know, we can use escape sequence /n. Now run. Yes, perfectly fine. Okay, fine. Now I don't want to write it here. I want to show you another interesting thing that is there in Xcode. Now I'm simply writing cout, then that statement. Fine. See, whenever I'm writing, immediately it is showing you have done something wrong. In this red color symbol you see. Here see, what is this? Just click on here. You see, here it is suggesting fix it. Fix is also suggested by this IDE. Fix it. Replace cout with std cout. I hope you know what is the use of std : cout. Std is the namespace. Cout belongs to that namespace. Cout is the object. Okay. That belongs to that namespace. That's why. Otherwise, another way is you can say using namespace std. Fine. Now your error will be gone away. Fine. Suppose I am commenting this. then immediately it will show us error, you see. Okay. Also it is giving us the suggestion, use stdc out. Let's use stdc out. Fine. Yes. How you are getting this instant error message, that also I am going to show you. Now come to file, then project settings. Here you see derived data. What is this? Okay, I will come to this point later. Issues. Observe this. Issues. So live issues for source code. Suppose I am on checking this one. Now you see I am making some mistake here by saying something. Okay. This is not proper syntax. Grammatical error is here. But still this ID is not showing us any error. But if we are switching on this option by saying show live issue for source code, then see immediately it will show us. See, whenever we will write, immediately it will show us something is, you are doing something wrong. See, immediately it is showing. What is the wrong thing here? Use of undeclared identifier y. Anyway, now I am going to write a useful program, and before that another option I am going to show you. Here see immediately it should display yes, but if that is switched opt, then it will not show you. Fine. Hopefully you understood how this ID is working. So always make it on. So instant help, and instant, if something goes wrong, immediately you will be informed by the ID itself. Then derived data. What is this derived data? I hope you know what is command line argument. Suppose here, before doing that one, I'm saying write a program to add two numbers. Okay, fine. I am writing a function to add two numbers which will accept two integers of integer x and integer y, and it will return addition of two numbers x plus y. Fine. Now from here I will say std : cout, then I will call this add method by saying 10, 20. Fine. So now my output will be what? 10 plus 20 equals to 30. Fine. Let's build it. Yes, it is. But I want to show something, so it's something fancy thing I will use here by saying x, sorry. Also here you might be thinking where it is generating this one, this output. So you can click here, just right click, then show in finder, go there. Yes, this is the place it is generating your output. Fine, this is the place where it is generating your output. But this output, I think it is creating this output in some default path. So you want your output should be in a specific path, so that also you can do it using this option. Sorry, come to Xcode, file, project setting. If you'll see where is your executable will be generated or created, that is your default location. That default location is user, this library, developer, this. But this is not your project location, whatever you choose during creation of the project. Now click here, select project relative location. Fine. Now you see it is changed. This was the location we choose during creation of the project. Fine. Now just click on done. Now come here. Now I want okay, fine. First I will go to that place and I will show you. Press Control, right click, show in finder. Fine. Just do it here. See, derived data. After that, your first CPP in Xcode. Then select build. Then products. See, nothing is there in products. Okay. Now come here. Now build it by pressing Command B. Build succeeded. Fine. Now go to same place. Now see, inside product one debug folder is created. Inside debug you see fast CPP in Xcode. Okay, this is your actual exe, actual application. Okay, now let's run this application in command prompt. Okay, that is here it is known as item. Fine. So where it is, my present working directory is in user, my user. Okay, so I will go to this path by saying cd this, enter, then I will say dot slash first cpp in Xcode. Now see hello world, this. Okay, fine, 30 is displayed. Fine, let's do some modification here. After this, suppose I want a new line, I can say std : and l. That's fine. Okay, now save, build is succeeded. Yes. Now again you run. Now see, previously you are getting 30 in the same line, now you are getting in a new line. That's fine. So I will say here, instead of this, I will say, let's delete this one. I don't want this. Here I will say addition result. Fine. Control S, Control B. Then go here. Let's see. Fine. Addition. But suppose I want, here I will say first CPP in Xcode. Then I will pass some argument by saying 10 200 and I will press enter. It should display 10 plus 200 equals to 210. Then how to achieve this? So this is nothing but known as your command line argument. Okay, so how to pass argument in command line? You know, if you will see, already I have told you that this main is the entry point of your program. Okay, whenever you are saying dot slash fast cpp in Xcode 10 comma 200, or sorry, 10 space 200, at that time this 10 200 are two parameters to this main function. Okay, where this parameter will come, this parameter will be saved inside argv of 0 and argv of 1, but here it is constant character pointer, that means it is a string. So we have to extract this integer from the string. How to convert integer from string? So I will say a to I integer to string, that is your first argument or first number is in argv of 0 and sorry, that is in argv of 1, because argv of 0 will give you the program name. Then another one is your argv of 2. Fine. Now it will convert this string to integer. Now I am taking two integers by saying integer n1 equals to this, integer n2 equals to this. Fine. Now here see, this symbol is for warning. It is what it is saying. Just click it. See, unused variable n1, unused variable n2. Why? Because it is not used. Okay. So why you are declaring this? That's fine. So we are going to use it. n1 comma n2. Okay. Now I want to add what? These two parameters. Let's see. Just execute and see. What is the output? It is not build it. Yes, build succeeded. Let's see the output. What it is displaying. Build. Stop. Just a minute, something went wrong. Yeah, here see how to give command line parameter using this id, that I will come back. Let's see. Now our build is succeeded. Now see, build is succeeded. Okay, now your exe is created. So let's go to your item or bus cell and try the same. Now see, addition result, it is working fine, right? We are adding 10 200 and it is displaying 210. That's fine. So here I will say, for a meaningful output, I will say n1 plus n2 equals to this. Now let's build. Once build is succeeded, then come back here. Now see, I'm changing this. Now see, addition result, okay. 10 plus 210, 220. Fine. Now something else, some other output, input. Fine. That is all about your command line argument. Now I will show you how to pass command line in your IDE. Now you go to product, scheme, then edit scheme. Now here see, and before doing that, just I am showing you while I am running this program. At that time, you see, I'm just running this one. Okay, it is saying an instance of this is already running, choose stop. Okay, fine, it is stopped. Now go to product, scheme, edit scheme. Here you can give arguments, command line arguments. Fine, just add plus. Here I'm saying 100 as the first parameter, 230 as the second parameter. 230 plus 100, 330 should be the output. Let's see. Okay, just close it. Now you run. Where it is running? Yeah, done. Here see, addition result 100 plus 230 equals to 330. Program ended with exit code 0. Fine. That's all, I think. Now you understood how to pass command line argument from the IDE and as well as in the command line itself. Okay. That's it from my side. Thank you. If you are having any question, any doubt, you can contact me in info@dgxforce.co.in. Thank you. Bye bye.